A Galaxy S24 may use more battery on Wi-Fi calling due to the continuous data exchange over Wi-Fi, which can consume more power than standard cellular calls. If you have a problem like this, here's what you need to do. Start by tapping the Home button to return to your home screen. Once you're at the home screen, locate and open the Phone application. In the Phone app, tap the three dots for more options at the top corner. Choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down in the call settings until you find Wi-Fi calling. Make sure it's turned on. Below that, you'll see Calling Preference. Tap on it. Select Wi-Fi Preferred. This will fix the problem with your phone draining the battery faster while using Wi-Fi calling. However, if the issue persists, then try restarting your device. To do that, press and hold the volume down and the power keys for a couple of seconds. When the power options show, tap Restart, and then confirm your action. After the reboot, try to see if the problem is fixed. If it still drains the battery quicker, then you have reset the network settings of your phone. To do that, launch Settings and select General Management. Tap Reset and select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Follow a few on-screen instructions to proceed. After that, select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and then follow a few instructions again to finish the network reset. This should be enough to fix the problem. You can hit the back button to return to the dialer or press home to go to your home screen. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more handy guides.